Alright, first up on the chopping block, this is the ROM version, so I'm assuming there are cartridges inside. Before we break the shrink wrap, we'll have a quick look at the box here. This was how much originally? Holy cow. Probably cost me $5 to buy this. Notice the parts room, do not open this. Look at all that. System requirements are 128 KB of memory. You do need a disk drive, obviously, to save and run. Do not use a television, the resolution is too low. Copyright 1982, 1983, 1984. It's like Christmas. And this slides off. I miss the way software used to be packaged. This is beautiful. And there it is. System cartridge A probably goes on the left. System cartridge B goes in the right, I would guess. Is that foam supposed to be in there? I guess we'll find out when we actually run this later. Some instructions here. Resides on these two 64K ROM cartridges. Alright. Probably not lucky enough to get any floppy disks in here. Ooh. Quick commands, I like this. Might even be a keyboard overlay in here. Oh, here's the manual all sealed up. More cardboard. There we go. There's diskette. Let's see what's in there. Ooh. Well, this appears to be some kind of keyboard overlay, except time has kind of ruined it. I might be able to get it off of there, though. I haven't actually tested any of these to know if any of the discs are any good from any of the software I purchased. Tutorial disc. It might still be readable. Print graph disc. And helping utility disc. I mean, they look okay. They're not deteriorated or anything. And they were sealed in this pouch here. May or may not have helped them. I'll unwrap that later. Just wanted to show a quick overview of the Lotus 123 cartridge version for PCjr. We'll get to testing this out later. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.